Rosa, welcome back everyone. I just wanted to share my eggplant pizza recipe, a delicious substitution if you want food that is better for you. I had great success with my weight loss with this recipe, and I also listed the ingredients in the description below. Let's get started. Now, unlike some eggplant recipes, this recipe is not dry. It's the complete opposite. It's really savory, it's robust, it does not contain too much salt, which allows you to really experience all of the flavor of the eggplant and the other ingredients. So please comment below if you do plan on trying this recipe, and just remember that your subscription and you sharing this video and channel does come with a purpose. And the purpose is to raise money to fund any upcoming Truly Snackies community outreach programs once I have established the company. So stay tuned for more videos, and share, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.